welcome to the Fantas Family channel. My name is Lorie, and in today's video, guys, we will be doing another street interview. We will be asking Filipinos if how jealous are they. So I am very happy, I am very excited to do this video because we are currently in Legazpi City, guys. We are in Legazpi City, Albay, Bicol, Philippines. So I love this place, guys. I love the city because I stayed here for a lot of years, and this is where I studied college. Okay, so I used to come here to this place. We are actually at Sawangan Park here in Legazpi. So yes, guys, let me give you a little tour of the place. So here you'll see, uh, beautiful trees, always a lot of green, and even here you can play a lot of stuff like volleyball or anything. And then here it's like a walking area. Come here. See, it is very beautiful here, guys. Very beautiful, especially at night. Oh my God, this is actually full of people every time, and especially today because it is Friday. Tomorrow is weekend, so a lot of workers, students are here. Or if you have like pets like dogs, you can walk your pet here. Okay, so it's very beautiful. So yes, guys, let's start the interview. Come with us. Okay. Ate, what's your name?
Babes.
Babes. Wow! Nice to meet you, Ate Babes. Okay. Ate Babes, are you single?
Ay, hindi. Double.
Double?
Sidecar.
Sidecar? Oh, no. Okay, so, Ate Babes, here's the question. How jealous are Filipinas?
Grabe talaga. Grabe sa selos. Yung tipong titingin lang yung boyfriend mo sa iba, nagsiselos ka na.
Okay. So, Ate Babes said that too jealous. Like for example, if her boyfriend like watching someone, she's gonna get jealous like that. Like that. Okay? Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Are you working, Ate Babes?
No.
No.
Business lang.
Wow! Business owner. Okay, so Ate Baby is not single but she is double. With sidecar. Okay, next, with Bluetooth. Okay, Ate, what's your name?
Angel.
Angel. Wow! Angel! Okay, nice to meet you, Ate Angel. How old are you, Ate Angel?
23.
23. Wow, virgin. 23. 17. Okay, Ate, are you single?
Mm-hmm.
You are? Okay. Wow.
Ano, complicated siya.
Complicated. Okay. But single for now, right?
Pwedeng single, pwedeng taken.
Yes. Okay. So she could be single, she could be taken. Okay. So now the question is, how jealous are Filipinas?
Same with ate. Sobrang selosa talaga ng mga Filipina. Why? Kasi mostly engaged tayo dun sa person na yun. So, if ever naman makita mo yung boyfriend mo, which is engaged ka sa kanya, mahal mo siya, syempre, magsiselos at magsiselos ka. Kasi hindi ka naman magsiselos kung hindi mo siya mahal.
Oh, I love that answer. So what Angel said was, if you love that person, of course you will get jealous. Any, just like what Ate said, Ate Babes. But I agree with you. If you love the person, you will always get jealous, no matter
Kasi
what.
di ka naman masasaktan kasi hindi ka nagmamahal.
Okay.
Yun
So
yung
what you
point
said was,
doon.
you're not gonna get hurt if you don't love the person.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Yes. She's. Okay. So. Okay, so we have a couple here. They look so good together. Okay, what's your name?
Kate po.
Kate. Kate, right?
Yeah,
Nice
Kate.
to meet you, Kate. Okay, but anyway, Kate, here's the question. How jealous are Filipinas?
In general, I think because of insecurities po,
Mm-hmm.
because of that, yun po yung nagpo-push sa girls maging jealous. Kasi pag like single naman sila, hindi naman sila ganun ka-jealous, di ba po? Pero pag may partner na sila, doon nag-sink in sa kanila na baka may kulang sa kanila na meron sa iba. Kaya doon nag-start yung jealous po.
Jealous. Okay, so what Kate said is, it starts from insecurities because normally, if someone is like single, she doesn't have partner, then they don't feel insecure, they don't feel jealous. But if someone is in a relationship, that's when this insecurity starts, and the person get jealous. And I think that's how you jealous, right?
Yes.
How you get jealous. Well, thank you, Kate, for having this interview. Okay, so here's your boyfriend, right? Okay, so for you, Kuya, what's your name?
Harold po.
Harold. Okay, Kuya Harold, the question is, what, how Filipinas, or how jealous are Filipinos?
Ko lang.
How do you get jealous? For
I-
example, what?
if like about sa relationship, if like I see na my girlfriend is being close to someone else.
Oh.
That's how
That's
most
how.
likely I get jealous.
What's your name?
Atasha po.
Atasha.
Yes
You have a
po.
very unique name.
Hi.
Beautiful. Nice to meet you, Atasha. Are you single?
No, I'm
No,
taken.
You're taken.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the question. How jealous are Filipinas?
Need talaga yung English.
Okay, tag Tagalog. Okay lang. Sige, be.
Wait lang. For example, yung may yung, they have, may past sila nung girl, and then, yung girl, hinahalikan siya.
Oh.
Pero, kahit friendly lang yon but still.
Okay. So she gets jealous when
Yeah.
there is this boy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's a girl.
A girl. Okay. Oh, so you're together?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We are.
Congratulations. Okay, so when it comes to, like, for example, past relationship, and then that woman was able to, like was able to kiss your present,
Yeah.
like it's her.
Being clingy.
Yeah, being
Yeah.
clingy. Okay, so thank you so
You're
much,
welcome.
being clingy. Okay, thank you. Next, okay, how jealous are Filipinas?
That's what I said earlier. Yung girl is yung boyfriend niya, kasama yung mga tropa, maglalaro ng basketball or magtatambay kung saan. The girl got jealous. The girl got anger, got mad to the boy kasi bawal nga, ganon.
Okay, I see. So if her girlfriend was hanging out with her friends, right? Like going to play basketball, like that, like kind of those, stuff. So he get jealous. She gets jealous with those. So, Ate, what's your name?
Kayla.
Kyla. Nice to meet you, Ate Kyla. How old are you?
22.
22. Wow. How tall are you? You look so tall.
5'2", naka-heels lang.
5'2". Wow. Are you single?
No,
you're not.
taken.
You're taken. Okay, Ate Kyla, here's the question. What is called this? How jealous are Filipinas?
Regarding that, I'm not really sure. I'm not a type of selosa girl talaga. Pero there are circumstances like, for example, I hate my man being friendly sa ibang girls. I mean, my man can be friends with other girls but not too clingy. Yun lang naman. Tapos, ayoko nang may communication sa past relationships. Yun lang naman. For me.
For you, okay. So what Ate Kyla said, she doesn't want his man to have communication with his past relationship. And I believe you were able to understand what she said, the first answer, because it was English. But Ate Kyla, thank you so much. It was very nice. I love your answer. Okay, I
Thank
can
you.
relate because that's how I am too. But thank you so much, Ate Kyla. Thank you.
Thank you.